Hi, I'm Priya Praveen. So most of us will face some problem removing the resin from this mold particularly. So let's see how this can be made easy. I have some soap water here already mixed. So I'm slowly adding some water into the mold. Very little actually. And the help of toothpick, I'm letting the water the sides so that spreads everywhere. You can see the water goes inside and the mold slowly coming out. I'm sorry, the resin is coming out of the mold. Just twist and here it is. Isn't it this easy? So hope this video will be useful for you. Drop your comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.